Welcome to Pool Arabia Rig 115. Whether you are a crew member, a service hand or a visitor, you are required to listen carefully to the following instructions to ensure your safety, your colleagues' safety and the safe operation of the rig. You will have seen the need for safety on this location. And now, while you are on the rig, we ask you to remember the company's core safety philosophy. Our work is never so urgent or important that we can't take the time to do it safely. All visitors to the rig are required to report to the rig manager's office for a safety orientation. At this time, please register all mobile phones and pagers with the safety officer. The safety officer will ask you to sign the visitor log as well as filling in your safety induction form. You will be shown the location of the rig's clinic and muster stations, and be instructed on your duties in an emergency. As well as this, you will be introduced to the rig manager, the company man, and your immediate supervisor. If you are not sure, ask. Where safety is concerned, there is no room for doubt. Remember, there is no stupid question. The only wrong question is the one you did not ask. Generally, the following emergency signals may sound. Fire or general alarm, an intermittent sound of the general alarm. Listen for the announcement that will tell you what the emergency is. Report to your muster station and remain at the muster station until instructed or until the all clear alarm is sounded. Pay attention to visual signals. H2S emergency, when you hear this, report to the muster station, which is determined by wind direction, in an orderly manner, and where breathing equipment is stored. Do not run. Remain at your muster station, avoid small talk, listen and follow instructions. Listen for the all clear signal before you return to normal duties. Regular drills are held and all relevant personnel must attend. Remember that company rules ban beards and facial hair that prevent efficient use of this equipment. Jewelry is also banned outside the accommodation to prevent accidents caused by materials getting caught in machinery. General safety on this rig. This rig is a clean and safe place to work. You must keep it that way. We believe that all accidents are preventable. Alcohol and weapons are banned on this rig, as are any drugs except prescription drugs, which must be declared to the medical staff upon arrival. Smoking is banned on the rig except in certain specified areas. No single-action lighters are permitted. Cameras and photography are not allowed without permission. You must wear personal protective equipment outside the offices at all times. Hard hat, safety glasses and safety boots should all be kept in good condition. Work boots and dirty coveralls must be removed before entering the accommodation quarters or offices. You will need to wear work gloves, but in order to keep handrails clean and safe, remove gloves and put them in your pocket before using a handrail. Remember, A slippery handrail could cause an accident or injury. Never carry anything on the stairways unless one hand is free for the handrails. And never rush or run. There are also many high noise areas on the rig where ear protection must be worn. If you are driving a light vehicle or riding the Pool Arabia bus, you must wear your seatbelt at all times. Also remember that our parking policy, reverse parking, is a must in all company locations. Personnel vehicles are not allowed to be on the camp or rig site. Safety at work. Work on the rig often involves heavy and potentially dangerous equipment. Make sure that you are aware of lifting operations above your head and around you. And obey the rules regarding air hoist, man riding and crane operations. Only trained and designated personnel are authorized to use this equipment. If you carry out welding jobs, make sure you wear protective gear and obey safety rules. And a PTW, permit to work, must be used. If you are working with chemicals in the mixing room, use extra care. And check the MSDS sheets for the correct PPE. Be sure you know where the eye wash stations are. Obtain permission from the driller before entering the rig floor. And be sure you understand the lockout and tag-out systems. At pre-job meetings you will be told exactly what your job involves, and if the job is not routine, a permit to work and job safety analysis must be completed before you start the process. Weekly safety meetings are held, as well as daily toolbox meetings for crew on duty. All personnel must attend all the safety meetings. You are expected to contribute actively in these mandatory meetings, bringing forward any safety matter that you have noticed. The Pool Arabia Smart Card System locations exist to help stamp out any unsafe practice. This program is essential to the rig safety control system. If you see an unsafe condition or work practice, it is your duty to report it using the cards provided. Only constant vigilance prevents accidents, and the whole crew works together to make this rig a safer place. Finger injuries are a constant risk, and you will see areas painted black and yellow to warn you of the risk of pinch points. Remember, finger accidents are the most common injury suffered on a rig. Working safely and protecting the environment is a condition of your employment. Remember that all waste is sorted and managed carefully. If you make a mess, clean it up. Pool Arabia Rig 115 is a safe and efficient workplace, and it is your duty to make sure that safety comes first, whatever you are doing on the rig. Only proceed if the job is safe. Our work is never so urgent or important that we can't take the time to do it safely. Now you will receive your emergency instructions pamphlet. Read it carefully and remember, safety first, always.